pondered how to turn financial dreams into reality? Welcome to the world of empowerment funds, where we believe in transforming possibilities into certainties. Imagine a financial partner that not only understands your needs, but also empowers your ambitions. That's what empowerment funds is all about. We are not just a funds provider, we are your financial ally, committed to propelling your dreams forward. Hear it straight from our esteemed clients. Meet Sarah, a small business owner who says, "Empowerment funds was a game changer for me. They believed in my vision when no one else did. Now, my business has grown beyond what I ever imagined." Or take John, an entrepreneur who shares, "Empowerment funds was the booster I needed. Their support was instrumental in taking my startup to new heights. I couldn't have done it without them." These are not isolated experiences. They echo the sentiment of hundreds of our satisfied clients who have seen their financial dreams come true with empowerment funds. But what sets empowerment funds apart? It's our commitment to you and your dreams. We believe in offering personalized solutions tailored to your unique needs. We provide the tools and resources you need to make informed financial decisions. With empowerment funds, you gain a partner who stands by you in your journey towards financial success. We offer a range of services, from business loans and investment funds to financial planning and retirement solutions. No matter what your financial goals are, we're here to empower you to reach them. We've seen the incredible success stories of Sarah, John, and countless others. This is what empowerment funds is all about, helping you turn your financial dreams into reality. So why wait to realize your ambitions? With empowerment funds, you gain more than a financial service provider. You gain a partner dedicated to empowering your journey towards financial success. Empowerment funds, empower your dreams today.